Welcome back to Select All from Greg Adams. I'm Greg Adams, and this is part 2 of 3 of the series Sending Email from SQL Server. And what you see here is a procedure I've created. I've already created all this, and now I'm just in the alter stage, which is already working. What I've done was create a procedure having these parameters, setting them to null. I set it to null just so it is technically required, but I usually just set it to null just in case. You can set yours. At least this top one should be required, and the subject should be required. The body not necessarily, and the attachment not necessarily, but you can. So once you do that, just a basic procedure, here is the call for the dbmail, and these are just a handful of the parameters that it uses. Really, I guess you can consider them variables, but you pass arguments into them. So here's the Microsoft side of, there's a lot more you can do, like importance, sensitivity, and it goes on and on and on. And you can even send attachments, which is the huge thing that I wanted to show everyone. You can pass attachments to it. So once you create the procedure, you go over there and start putting in your parameters. You have to do them in this certain order, of course, just like regular store procedure. Here's my email that I'm sending to. This is a test email, which is the subject, and this is the body because I'm just testing the body. Here's where the attachment is. So I tested it trying to put the folder on my regular desktop, and there's issues with the permissions for the database to access this file. So the workaround for that is just dropping the folder into the C drive, and that's what I did. I just dropped it in there, and then just linked it. Just Control C and copy everything, and paste everything, and then copy the file name with the extension. And then once you run it, let's go ahead and run it. If you see this message, that means you're great. You can see this message, and there could be something wrong up here. Like, say, if you forget to put like the .com, you can still see this message. You just won't get the message. You won't get the email in your email inbox. So just be aware that just because you see this, it doesn't mean it's successful. And it just means it executed successfully. But since this is correct, we did get an email, and we got an attachment. The attachment is all the contents of the file that we made the other day. So I think this is a pretty cool trick / really convenient way to kind of automate your life as a SQL developer. And if your supervisor wanted a CSV file, I don't know why you would want a CSV file. I've always been just requested an Excel file, but Excel file, CSV file, you can automate this. And this is in the next video. I'm going to show you how to put this in SSIS to make everything more automated, so it can be a daily pull, a weekly pull, and once you set it up, you can set it and forget it. So if you enjoyed this video, and if it helped you out any, like or subscribe to me, and click the little bell so you'll know when I post another video. I have one more video in this series to go, and it's the SSIS portion, which is going to be way easy. It's going to be basically the same setup with a few more tasks added to it, just to make sure everything works according to plan, because you got to set up like a wait timer because SSIS is so quick. But I'll go into that in the next video. So yeah, everyone, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later.